Unboxing review time. Okay, inside this brown box here, we got a lot of good stuff. Let's get right to it. We got 2 complete sets of props. We have a red and a green LED light, 4 favorite little B 20 amp ESCs. We have the SP Racing F3 flight controller and a bunch of wires, 4 LHI 2205 motors with smooth bearings. We have the power distribution board by Maytech Systems, 4 motor guards and some hardware, a prop wrench, a VTX antenna with a 90-degree connector, the VTX with dip switches, 700 TVL mini camera, and the frame with all the hardware and some extra wires, a contact card, a manual with pictures, and web links to videos. Let's get this built. So there it is, the complete build of the LHI 220 quad. Let's give it a little spin so you can go ahead and admire it at all angles. I'm impressed with the carbon fiber. The arms feel pretty strong, so hopefully this guy will hold up in a crash. And now for a few tips that'll help you with your build. The first is the video transmitter. You want to cut a little hole out in the plastic sheathing around the video transmitter so you can access your dip switches. And onto the power distribution board. Onto the 12-volt pads, you're going to run both the video transmitter as well as your camera. Then run 2 wires from the 5-volt onto a positive and a negative terminal as seen to give your power to the flight controller and a rail to run your LED lights. Don't forget to run your VBAT. Either solder 2 wires here and here or use the quick connect and run the according wires to the ground and the ACC on the PDB. Now for the receiver, use USB as a reference point. This port is the 5-volt. This is the 3.3 volt. All these cables and pin connectors, you don't need them. All you need is these 3 wires. Connect those to the I/O port, connect your receiver, and if you're like me, I'm running an additional wire to run telemetry, connect it to UART port, and there you have it, the LHI 220. Get out there and fly it.